rubbish. This no even make sense at all. If I let me even call him. Hello, sir. Why is my salary not complete? No, that's what I don't say. Why is my salary not complete? I did not agree to this thing you are telling me. I said I'm not agreeing to this thing you are telling me. Which one you say I should be saving for rainy days? Sir, I hope you know that this is dry season already. This is dry season already. Before the rainy season will come, before I'll collect my salary. Sir, see, send me that salary. That salary, matter is not. Matter a lot. Please, sir, just help me send the money. Just help me send the money. This thing is not. I don't. I find the Jerry. I don't understand. You know be this my boss. Now wait to make I tell you the full story. You know, sir, at first, it doesn't a new year okay. Make I start to talking. Since I don't talk. Now, time to pay my salary. You can't divide my salary. You can't pay me. I've got to say, he's helping me to save for rainy days. And wait to you know say like this now. Now dry season day now. Before rainy season go come, like it go take very well until like around that like towards half of the year. Now rain go fall. So if I come to the save now, then when rain go fall, now I will come see the money. No, you reason that is that not wickedness. Who show me some my guy like me? I ain't gonna chop your money. I gonna wait till rain fall until I chop my money. Make I save for rainy days. Can you imagine? Who does that? Who does that? I wish Gary.
Your guy like before you save for rainy days.
No, guy, no. I want me reason this thing with me. Guy, now dry season dey like this. Now general will see like this. Before I go the first no go dey. I don't even fall like 1st of December like.
What if rain fall tomorrow?
I don't know before now. Like you don't understand which I talk my boss.
Now that might take away.
Now waiting bring to matter come now. They talk of raining days, saving for raining days.
Now raining days save for me. I want you for dry season like this.
Now I'm here. You don't see what my boss do. Now.
If you tell me something, not my wisdom, eh?
Okay, you don't invest already. Make a